Today, we're diving deep into a topic often overlooked but critical for your vehicle's performance: car batteries. Beyond just starting your engine, your battery powers a complex array of electronics that keep your modern vehicle running smoothly. Choosing the right one isn't just about cranking power, it's about compatibility, longevity, and ensuring your car's electrical system operates as intended. A car battery does far more than simply ignite your engine. It's the silent workhorse providing stable voltage for your vehicle's entire electrical system, from the infotainment and navigation to advanced safety features and engine control units. As automotive technology advances, the demands placed on these batteries have dramatically increased, making an informed choice more important than ever. Generally, you'll encounter three primary types of lead-acid car batteries: the traditional flooded lead-acid battery, the enhanced flooded battery or EFB, and the absorbent glass mat, commonly known as AGM. Each has distinct characteristics, suited for different vehicle types and driving conditions. Let's start with the flooded lead-acid battery. These are the most common and often the most affordable choice on the market. Inside, lead plates are submerged in a liquid electrolyte solution of sulfuric acid and water. While reliable for basic needs, they require occasional maintenance, like checking and topping up fluid levels with distilled water in some cases. Their primary downsides include being susceptible to vibration damage, having a shorter lifespan compared to advanced alternatives, and releasing gases during charging, requiring proper ventilation. Flooded batteries are typically found in older vehicles with fewer electrical demands. They are a cost-effective choice if you're on a budget and your car doesn't feature advanced technologies like start-stop systems. Examples of vehicles that might use standard flooded batteries include the Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Corolla, and Lexus RX. Next up are enhanced flooded batteries, or EFBs. These are a step up from standard flooded batteries, featuring improved durability and cyclic capabilities. EFBs incorporate a special polyfleece material on the positive plate surface, which helps stabilize the active material and extends battery life. They offer better resistance to vibration and faster charge acceptance, making them suitable for vehicles with entry-level start-stop systems. EFB batteries are designed for compact and mid-range cars with standard start-stop systems, or vehicles with extensive equipment but without start-stop functionality, especially in demanding urban driving. They can handle twice as many charging cycles as conventional batteries, making them a more durable and often more affordable option than AGMs for these applications. Some examples of cars that use EFB batteries include start-stop versions of the Fiat 500, Toyota Yaris, and Ford Ionetiq range. Finally, we have absorbent glass mat, or AGM, batteries. These are considered premium batteries and are often found in modern vehicles with high electrical demands and advanced start-stop systems with regenerative braking. In an AGM battery, the electrolyte is absorbed into fiberglass mats instead of being a free-flowing liquid. This sealed, spill-proof design offers numerous benefits, including being maintenance-free, highly resistant to vibration, and capable of deep discharge cycles. AGM batteries are the go-to choice for luxury cars, SUVs, and vehicles with advanced start-stop systems and regenerative braking. They also excel in scenarios requiring high power reserves, such as off-roading or vehicles with numerous electronic accessories. An AGM battery can typically last 2 to 3 times longer than a flooded battery, with an average lifespan of 5 to 8 years, and recharges faster. When comparing batteries, 3 key performance metrics you'll often see are cold cranking amps, reserve capacity, and cycle life. CCA measures a battery's ability to start your engine in freezing temperatures, specifically how many amps. A 12-volt battery can deliver at 0 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds while maintaining a minimum of 7.2 volts. RC, or reserve capacity, indicates how long a fully charged battery can sustain a 25-amp discharge before dropping below 10.5 volts. Essentially, it's emergency fuel tank for electronics if your charging system fails. Cycle life refers to the number of charge and discharge cycles a battery can endure before its capacity significantly degrades. Choosing the right battery starts with your vehicle's original equipment manufacturer, or OEM, specifications, usually found in your owner's manual. Vehicles originally equipped with an AGM battery be replaced with another AGM battery, as their electrical systems are calibrated for this technology. Downgrading can lead to reduced performance, shorter battery life, and system malfunctions. For cars with start-stop technology, an EFB or AGM is typically required, as standard flooded batteries cannot handle the frequent cycling demands. Your driving habits also play a significant role. If you frequently make short trips, your alternator might not have enough time to fully recharge the battery, leading to chronic undercharging. For vehicles used infrequently or stored for extended periods, a battery maintainer is highly recommended. Extreme climates, both hot and cold, also impact battery life and performance. AGM batteries, for instance, are generally more resistant to extreme temperatures and vibrations, making them a better choice for demanding conditions. Using the wrong type or size of battery can lead to a host of problems. Symptoms can range from difficulty starting and frequent electrical issues like flickering lights, to reduced fuel efficiency and premature battery failure. An incompatible battery can disrupt your car's charging system, potentially causing the alternator to overcompensate and fail prematurely, or even trigger engine warning lights. In start-stop vehicles, an incorrect battery can lead to restricted start-stop functionality, or even a loss of warranty. Proper battery installation and maintenance are crucial for longevity. Always ensure terminals are clean and tight, free from corrosion. A mixture of baking soda and water can effectively clean terminals. Avoid using electronics when the engine is off, especially for extended periods, as this can quickly drain the battery. Regular driving helps keep the battery charged, and for vehicles used infrequently, a trickle charger can maintain optimal charge. Let's quickly debunk a common car battery myth: all car batteries are the same. This is absolutely busted. As we've seen, flooded, EFB, and AGM batteries have distinct constructions, performance characteristics, and ideal applications. Another myth is that driving your car for a short distance will fully recharge a flat battery. This is also false. Starting your car drains a significant amount of power, and short trips often don't allow the alternator enough time to replenish that charge. In conclusion, choosing the right car battery is a decision that impacts your vehicle's reliability and the functionality of its complex electrical systems. Always consult your owner's manual to determine the OEM specified battery type, especially for modern vehicles with start-stop technology or high electrical demands. If you're unsure, speak to a qualified automotive professional. Investing in the correct battery for your specific vehicle and driving needs will ensure optimal performance, extend battery life, and help you avoid costly issues down the road.